The Truefree O2 is Truefree's latest open-ear earbuds, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery life and smartphone application, covering all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Inside the retail box of Free O2, you will find the O2 earbuds in the charging case, a USB Type-C cable and a quick start guide. Talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing that you will notice about Truefree O2 is that eye-catching orange color. Another thing is that it is very lightweight. Each earbuds weighs just 8 grams. The liquid silicone hook is very soft and comfortable and apply no pressure on your ears. So because of its lightweight design and soft, smooth, flexible silicone hook, you will be able to use it for hours without facing any issue. It fits perfectly on different shape and sizes of ears and looks beautiful and eye-catching as well. The Truefree O2 comes with IPX5 water resistance, so you do not need to worry about damaging your earphones because of the excessive sweat during exercise, etc. The charging case comes with environmental friendly, spray-free material and leather texture, and because of that it looks quite beautiful as well as premium. It is also very lightweight. It comes with a USB Type-C port with the same color accent like rest of the body, and there is a battery indicator provided as well. The magnet of the case is quite strong, so the earbuds will not fall out of the case easily, as you can see here. The case does not come with wireless charging capability, and we've got a tiny little reset button inside it. Talking about the audio quality, the Truefree O2 comes with directional sound transmission along with 50mm driver. The audio output is quite nice and balanced, so you get equal amount of low, mids and highs. You get good amount of bass as well that usually you won't find on open ear earbuds, but the mids are not very balanced, and because of that you get a bit tinish sound while listening music on Truefree O2, but you can easily fix it by adjusting the equalizer on the Truefree smartphone app. The Truefree O2 comes with dual microphones and the ENC noise cancellation that contributes in suppressing the ambient noise while making voice call. So it helps in picking your voice clearly and also reduces a bit of ambient sound to have better voice call. Talking about the battery life, the Truefree O2 comes with nearly 6 hours of battery life in one single charge, and you can charge it 3 more times with the help of the charging case. So you will get around 20 hours of battery life with one fully charged case and earbuds, and once the battery goes down you can charge the Truefree O2 using the charging case, and the charging case can be fully charged from 0% to 100% in 1 hour 15 minutes with the help of this USB Type-C port. The Truefree O2 comes with multi-point connection, and because of that you can connect it with 2 devices at the very same time, as you can see here. Now talking about the smartphone app, the Truefree smartphone app comes with some nice features. The interesting feature here is that it comes with a relaxing concert hall. If you go there, then you will get all of these relaxing sound on your smartphone application that you can play on your Truefree O2. The only bug here is that once you get inside the main page of the earbuds with the connection button, you can't go back and use the concert hall feature, but there is an option provided inside the app itself to access this feature. In the app itself you can check the battery status of left and right earbuds. It does not show the numerical value. You can disable the touch commands on your Truefree O2. With this slider you can turn on the gaming mode that improves the latency of Truefree O2 to provide a lag-free experience while playing games while using the Truefree O2 here. If you go to the custom touch section, here you get the option to change the command that you can perform on left and right earbuds. For each left and right earbud you can see that we got total 7 options. So this is quite nice because you can perform total 7 different kinds of on Truefree O2, and it supports 4 different gestures. So what we got here is single click, double click, triple click and the long press. Each of them work perfectly and you won't face any issue while performing the touch commands on your Truefree O2 earbud. In the equalizer section you will find some presets that you can use with your Truefree O2. You can even create a new one, and it also comes with the adaptive equalizer feature that adjusts the sound output based on your equalizer test result. From the settings you can update the software of your Truefree O2. You can even watch a tutorial video to get the idea that how you can use the Truefree O2 perfectly with this smartphone application, and if you want you can even reset it. Select the prompt tone between English and Chinese, and it's from the setting that you can access the relaxing concert hall feature again to use it along with your Truefree O2. Overall, the Truefree O2 is a very nice open-ear earbuds in this price segment. It is very lightweight, beautiful, and comfortable to wear. The audio quality is good enough, the battery life is nice, and the smartphone application is feature-rich. If you got more money to spend, the Soundcore Aero Fit 2 is the better option in terms of audio quality and battery life. But if you want to get something half price of it, then the Truefree O2 is one of the best option for you for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.